What's up, YouTube? We're back with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about the legendary Grando RC, and it is a ready to run out of the box. It seems to me, from what I've been running, is a really good car, and it comes with a 7.2 volt 6S 1800 nickel hydrate battery and charger, and this truck is a full drive. And it looks and functions featuring a motorized winch, front bumper with D-rings, mirrors, a roof rack, and snorkel. The attached LED lights light up the trail for night crawling. The Grando does have a 2-speed transmission, one for crawling and one for going high speed trying to get to place to place. The Grando crawler has a heavy-duty formed steel ladder frame with molded cross members creates an extremely rigid backbone that lets the suspension do the work it was designed to do. The winch that comes with the Grando is also 40 inches long, so you can pretty much get a long distance of pull if you're pulling anything out. Anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get to me unveiling and unboxing the legendary Grando. We have the Grando legendary. Today we're going to be unboxing it. And from the box outside, it looks like a good truck. So let's get the box. I believe it has a built-in winch on it. And alright, here's the Grando RC. Let's get this on the wire. Ooh, this comes with a battery pack. Usually trucks don't come with battery packs. Wow, I'm actually impressed. Comes with its own battery pack. I like that. Alright, so we got a bunch of aluminum on it. Let's get these wires cut. Here we go. This truck does come with a built-in winch, lights, and battery pack. Let's take this body off and see how it is on the how the chassis is and how the electronics are set up. Seems like a pretty big winch too. Wow. So here's the wire to the lights on the body. It comes with a battery already in the truck. Seems like it is a 1800 milliamp battery. So the 1800 milliamp battery comes with some gears, it looks like. So you'll be able to, I think it has some different modes because that's a shifter right there. Has a brushed motor, it looks like. Has a bunch of aluminum on the chassis. So I'm pretty impressed by this truck. Some squishy tires. Not to say they're the squishiest as the Accent Fusion. Fusions are definitely more squishy than this one and bigger. The flex wise, doesn't have that much flex without pushing down on the back. If I was pushing on the back, it has pretty good flex. That's how much it is when I'm not pushing down. So how much it is whenever I'm pushing down the back tire. So has some pretty good flex. It's pretty big, pretty long. We're going. Let's unpackage this. I don't think I need to open it. Comes with zip ties. Everybody needs some zip ties. That's for sure. Has a parts list right here. So yeah, any parts or anything are right there. There's a parts list for this battery pack out, which I don't see a lot of RC companies do, but these guys actually did. I wish more RC companies would come with battery packs, because some people don't feel like getting battery packs. It doesn't seem like it holds a lot of batteries, but I mean, it's a battery pack. You can't go wrong with a battery pack. A new one, at least. So yeah, it's just a small little battery pack for you to use. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Simple. There feel like a couple batteries in there. Comes with a charger. There's a nice little charger there. Oh wow, they come with extra mirrors and clips. You already know the mirrors are going to be broken on them. Actually, those aren't even extras. Those are, they didn't put the mirrors on the truck. So you can put the mirrors on the truck. I'm going to do that later. And it comes with a binding plug. A little binding plug. So, let's get what's happening. Let's get. There we go. Wait. Has a bunch of different clip options. So if you want to put a different body on there, I'm sure any body would fit because how much freaking clip options there are. So let's go ahead and get some batteries. So it would take some AA batteries. So we need 4 AA batteries. Go find some. It comes with a Dumbo RC controller. So yeah, let's plug this. First we're going to turn our controller on. So with the blue light. This is the same controller that's on my little Raymond there. Plug it in. I think it is charged. I don't know if the battery's charged or not. I'm gonna turn it on. Here we go. Pretty smooth. Don't make a whole bunch of noise. See? Oh, there goes the winch. Look at there. Look at that winch. It's a pretty long winch. I'm impressed. Should have wind it back down. So that's that mode. I'm guessing this is the fast mode. Then you got crawl mode. Nice. In my opinion, this truck is good for trail riding, and if you want to get into like hardcore rock crawling competitions and stuff, this ain't for you. It's just more for good trail riding, something you can take out in the backyard or take down a park trail or anything like that. I only had one problem, and the only problem was that it is very low and it will get stuck on a rock. But like I said, it's not for hardcore rock crawling, sort of like we did in the video, just more for trail riding. If you were to do any upgrade to this truck, I recommend doing the tires first. These tires aren't very grippy, they're more like street tires than anything else. But yeah, this truck is good for beginners and trail riding people, if you're one of those guys. And this is GSR, and peace.